Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, September 12th. Looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and NQ. So we said yesterday morning in our video, I wouldn't be surprised if we probably stay in this balance until CPI tomorrow morning on Wednesday. So yesterday morning, what did we do? We actually got to the top of our 3-day balance to the tick in ES, stretched it by a little bit in SPY. Now, again, there's still 75 minutes to go, but we're pushing a little bit towards yesterday's low. Yesterday's low is not the important one to me, right? It's not the bottom of the balance. The bottom of the balance is Thursday's low. So the question is, if we take out yesterday's low, how much do we take out of Friday, and do we become a nice 5-day balance prior to CPI? All remains to be seen. Yesterday's volume was light. NQ had a tremendous push off of that afternoon pullback to go trend. They had a price spike above A. Well, right now, look at this. They spent a lot of time in the overnight in that upper distribution, but now they're starting to come back. We'll see if they're going to open below A's high. Okay? Definitely something to keep an eye on if they do that. Righty, on the other hand, which finally came back into balance yesterday, right? It put them into, again, I would have probably called it a 3-day balance since they didn't get that much into the fifths range. But right now they're below yesterday's low. Okay, remember, they gapped high yesterday, like we all did. So the bottom of their balance is Thursday's low. So again, we'll see if they come out of balance, right? They went bear, balance. Are they going to go back to bear below Thursday's range, or do they hold it? Again, it all remains to be seen as today unfolds in front of us. But for now, we are still a market desperately in need of market-generated information. The only play I would see inside of yesterday's range is depending on where the overnight low is to front-run it, and the same with the overnight high. Other than that, expect some major chop inside of yesterday's range. If we do take out yesterday's low, we should go get the point of control from Friday. And then on the chart, I'll just show you the daily. 4-day balance coming into today. Stretched it slightly in SPY yesterday. ES to the tick, so it's weak. We closed above the 50, which closed at 447.02. Right now we're trading at 447.29. So we'll see how SPY reacts. We went back and forth through that 50 a lot yesterday before we finally stayed above it late in the day. So again, if we're going to stay in this balance, I would think we're going to maybe go back and forth through that 50-day moving average a bunch more times today. Good luck trading today. Thanks for the likes and subscribing to this channel, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.